So spring is here and it's time to refresh my outdoor space. Last year I had so much fun decorating. This year I want to add more color and I want to create more DIYs. So in today's video I will be showing you how I made a $3 front door mat using all Dollar Tree items. This was easy to make and affordable too. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching to the end. I was in Dollar Tree and I was just minding my business and I came across these mats and I got this idea to make a front door mat. So I picked up 4 of them because I'm going to make one for myself and one for my daughter. Also picked up 3 of these ropes at home and it's time to make the mat. So let me tell you the supplies that I'm using. I used 2 ropes, 2 rugs, a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, scissors, iron on vinyl, a Cricut machine, and a Cricut heat press. So I have a black rug and a gray rug. I'm going to take the black rug and I'm going to glue it to the gray rug. And the gray rug has the non-slip bottom to it. So I'm going to use my vinyl and I'm going to use my Cricut machine and I'm going to cut out some words that I'm going to iron on to the rug. Now, I don't really know anything about, the heat levels and all of that. I just was being careful to, make sure that I don't burn it because I wanted it to stick to the rug. Now, you can do these DIYs another way. You can just get stencil and you can use spray paint and spray the wording in place. But I didn't have any spray paint and I was just working with what I had. So I did have the vinyl paper. So I just thought, for me, it would just be best to use that. So I'm going to go downstairs and I'm going to cut my letters. And then I will cut everything and I'm going to come back. Okay, so this is what I want to put on my welcome mat. I want to put, but did you call or text first? I just put this on here just to be funny. I thought it was very humorous because you know how sometimes people will come to your house unannounced. But I'm one of those people that if you come to my house and I ain't sent for you, guess what? You're not getting in here. So before you come to my house, you need a call or text. All right, y'all. So I'm using my heat press. I'm putting tissue paper over the letter because I don't want it to get too hot. So it's I'm putting it there to keep it from burning, to kind of give it some protection. So I'm pressing down. I don't know if you can notice, but you can see it's like a little discoloration from the heat press, but it's okay. It didn't damage the rug. It really just made the vinyl kind of adhere better to the rug. So for each word, I just continued the same step until I was finished. Before you pull off the plastic, you need to let the plastic cool for a while before you pull it off, because if you pull it off while it's still hot, you can pull off the letters. Without the pain behind it, I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Okay, so I have all the words on the mat. So now it's time to glue the mat to the other rug. So now I'm going to flip the mat over and I'm going to put hot glue to the bottom of the mat, and then I'm going to glue the mat to the rug. What's your substitution for your lonely bed? So that's impressive. How much? Now the mat is glued to the rug. Now you can stop here or you could go a little bit further, and that's what I did. So I used the rope to put it around the perimeter of the rug, and I did it like in a zigzag kind of motion. just to give it some more definition in design so it wouldn't look so plain. I have this idea. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, but I was thinking like in between the zigzag, I was going to like put some white paint in between the holes, the openings, but I'm not sure. But I do like how it came out. I think it came out pretty good. The reason that I'm rubbing this rug is just to make sure that all the letters are in place and not falling off. I did make this mat for my front door, but you won't see how it looks outside until the next video. That being said, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. Let me know in the comments what you think, and look out for the next video so you can see how I style this mat outside. So much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.